Okay, in today's video we'll be looking at how to add folders inside other folders to keep your files more organized and neat. Just a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You will notice that we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover, and also just a note, we do upload daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. So now let's say, let's first, this is a follow-up of more tutorials on the layers panel properties and how to use it. So if you've not seen some of the previous videos, I'd recommend checking them out. And otherwise, to locate your layers properties, we will go here to the right panel, properties panel, and then we select these three little papers. That is your layers properties. And once it's opened, let's say for organizing sake, we want to take all the orange flowers, put them in one folder, then do the same with the purple and put that in a folder called flowers. So then it's very easy to understand what's happening in the design. So what we want to do is first create a new folder. How we can do that is you can either go on the top right here, and then we click on that little drop down menu, and then we say add layer folder. Or what we can do is we go to the bottom little icon here with a folder with a plus on it. So we click that, now you will notice it has created a new folder on top here. Now next what you want to do is select all your orange flower layers. There's two ways you can do that. Make sure your selection tool is on. You can either click on the flowers on your canvas or your mat, keep shifting and select all the rest. Or what we can also do is we go on our layers panel, we select the flower, keep shifting, and then you select all the other orange flowers, keeping shift in. Now to move this into a folder, you want to, with all of those selected, click and hold with your left mouse button and drag onto the folder. And if you see a little black line under it with a white dot, that means we'll drop it in the folder. If it does not show the white dot, shows it black, then I'll put it just under the folder. So for now, let's put it inside the folder. Now, as we can see, if we click that little arrow, the orange flowers are in the folder. Now, let's just rename this folder quick. There is two simple ways to do that. The one is you click on this little icon on top here again, and then we go to the bottom, which is layer properties. Now on the right here, you will notice we can rename it, set a color, and so forth. Another simple way to do this is you go on the layer or folder and you just double click the name. When you double click the name, it will bring that same option. So let's just rename this quick. And I set the color just so we can see that it is orange. And we say OK. And now we've got our orange folder. Now let's just repeat the same steps quick for the purple. So once again at the bottom here, we click a new folder. Then we click our purple flower and keep shifting, select the rest. We drag that onto the new folder with the little white dot. Let's double click this, rename this to purple. If you want, you can change the color. And we say OK. Now you can see we easily have these two organized in there. So now let's add a main folder. So once again, we click on the bottom here, click the little plus, double click this, and then let's name this to flowers. Now organizing things like this is great for big projects or if you're working with multiple members. And then let's say we want to now add the folders to it. Once again, click and hold in, drag till you see that little thing with a white dot. Then if we open this, and let's say for any reason you want to organize the position of the folder. So let's say you've got graphics in your purple that's on top of the orange, but now it's under the orange because it's layers underneath it. So to change the position, we'll just click and then we drag it on top. And then make sure it just goes on top of it. So then there you've got your purple now on top while it's inside the folder. Then you can easily collapse this, and now it's very very neat and organized for other designers to work on. Well, that is yeah, the folders, adding folders to folders in VinylCut 5, and we hope to see you for some more layer properties tutorials. We just head here to our website quick. If you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you'll find this video and more videos like this. We also, as you can see, cover quite a variety of different software, and we've got a search option on the top right here if you're looking for, or if you want to isolate your search to something more specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, or you would like to see something in a specific program, then you can always say request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.